Hey guys, Jacob here from Jacob's Smoke Alarm Reviews and more. Today we are going to be reviewing the Firex Model PB. Yes, this is an alarm that I also got off of eBay for about 12 bucks, and this is the box for it. And this is very, very tiny compared to some other Firex alarms. I think it's the tiniest version they ever made. This is a photoelectric model PB. This was made in 2004, October 5th, so it will do code 3. But there's something very, very strange about this alarm indeed. So, there's a very special part, so let's just give it a test. Yes. So, let's turn off the light so we can see it. Watch. Takes forever to alarm, though. This one is also known as the 120-441C for its patent number, for its patent model. So yes, this is basically, and the mounting bracket would be the exact same. This is actually the photoelectric version of the. This always happens. This is the photoelectric version of the Model B. So yeah, it's actually quite rare. You don't really see too many of these. So model, and it's of course the 2000s version based on the box right there. And this is the box it came in. Actually quite tiny compared to some of the other ones. So yeah, that's about it. Bye guys.